Hey everyone, welcome back to Electric Glide TV. Today I'm sharing my personal review of two powerful electrical unicycles, the Veteran Lynx and the Veteran Patton-S. If you are thinking about getting into EUCs or upgrading your ride, this video is for you. I will make it short and sweet. Let's start with the learning curve. Between the two, Patton-S is definitely the easier one to learn on. It's more stable, lighter, and more maneuverable. That's make big difference when you are just starting out. Now, when it comes to performance, the Patton-S is built for speed and power, and it does deliver. It's a great upgrade if you are looking to access more speed without sacrificing control. The Lynx, on the other hand, has slightly bigger motor and larger battery pack on paper. It should be faster and go further. But honestly, on the road, I did not notice a huge difference in speed or range between the two. Where the Lynx really shine is off-road, thanks to its big tire. It handles dirt road like champ. It's also more comfortable to ride while seated, again because of that large tire. One thing to keep in mind, your weight can affect how easily you access that top speed. With the Lynx, that can be a bit tricky, but with the pattern, it's much more forgiving. So, what's my final verdict? If I had the chance to start over, I had probably go with the Patton-S or even the Sherman-L because of the large battery and the long distance. I'm happy with the Lynx now, but I will be honest, it was tough to learn on. It takes time and patience. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop comment below. Let me know which EUC you are riding or thinking about getting. Ride safe. I will see you in the next one. Take care.